I feel like I am truly adulting right now. If you could feel my excitement, you would totally get it. I just got myself the Beckham Pillow Collection, the Hotel Collection, and I'm so pumped. Literally, the page says that it is a 2-pack, and I guess I just missed that. So when I opened it, I'm like, I got 2? I was like even more excited. So I think my husband is going to be getting lucky because I asked him, do you want a pillow? He's like, no, I'm good. Well, now he's getting one anyways. So I have been needing a new pillow for I don't even know how long, embarrassingly too long. And so now I finally got them. I'm really scared to open this only because I can't ruin my new pillow. And so let's go. It's one of those, I know it's just going to kind of like pop open at me, but I just want to make sure that I don't actually get my beautiful new pillow. Here we go. Okay, so these are the king size pillow. So just you need to keep that in mind for like pillowcases. So they are the larger one. I probably should have just brought scissors out here with me. But let's see here. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at this beautiful pillow. I have been seeing these pillows everywhere. Everything says how fantastic they are, and already I'm like, oh, look at this. I'm obviously going to let this sit overnight, get it nice, big, and puffy. I mean, it's going to be really hard to not use it tonight, but I'm going to try really hard to wait till tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. But I do want to make sure that, you know, it gets fully fluffed. Oh, man, if you could feel this, this is exactly what I need. Look at that. So you put your head down on here, and as soon as it comes out, it pops right back up. My pillow right now is just like super flat. I'm getting like zero support. So being able to put my head here, having this nice thick cushiony, oh my goodness, I feel like I'm seeing fantastic sleeps in my future. I cannot wait.